In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find less competitive keywords using Ubersuggest in 2025. Whether you're creating content for a blog, planning a new video, or optimizing for SEO, finding the right keywords can make all the difference in reaching your audience effectively. So let's dive into the process step by step to help you gain that competitive edge. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Ubersuggest tool. Simply head over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Here, you'll need to log in. You can choose between using a free account or opting for the paid version, depending on the depth of features you require for your keyword research. Once you're logged in, let's begin by entering your main topic into the search bar. For instance, if you're working on content about fitness, you might type in workout routine. After entering your main idea, hit the search button to get started. This action will generate a plethora of keyword options related to your primary topic. Now, on the left sidebar, navigate to the Keyword Ideas section. This is a pivotal part of the tool where you'll uncover related keywords that are categorized by various important metrics, such as search volume, which gives you an idea of how popular a keyword is, SEO difficulty, which indicates the level of competition, paid difficulty, and CPC, or cost per click. These metrics will be essential in helping you gauge which keywords are right for you. The next move is to sort through these results by focusing on the SEO difficulty column. Click on its header to sort the results from low to high. Your target here is to find keywords with an SEO difficulty rating of under 35. These keywords tend to be less competitive and can be easier to rank for in search engines, providing you with a great opportunity to stand out. Once you've sorted and filtered by competition, it's vital to make sure there's substantial search volume. Aim for keywords that have a monthly search volume ranging from 100 to 1,000. For example, a keyword like easy home workouts might present low competition yet attract significant traffic, making it essential for your content strategy. Additionally, don't overlook the related questions and prepositions tabs within Ubersuggest. These sections often propose long-tail keywords like how to build workout routine. Long-tail keywords are typically less competitive, but can be incredibly effective in targeting specific queries that align with your content. Finally, when you've identified keywords that are ideal for your content needs, select the checkboxes next to them. You can then choose to export these selections to a CSV file. This will allow you to save your findings and easily incorporate them into your content, be it blog posts, article titles, or even YouTube video descriptions. And there you have it. A comprehensive approach to unearthing less competitive keywords using Ubersuggest that will help enhance your content's visibility and performance. Keep experimenting with different keywords and exploring various niches for continued success in your content creation journey.